Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY. Basically all you're gonna need for this DIY is a clear case, glitter of any kind. I have this one and these, a red one and a green one, and this like pretty glittery one, and Mod Podge of any kind that you prefer. Also, you'd be needing something to apply the Mod Podge to the case. I'm going to be using this little sponge right here. And I think for today, for this one, I'm going to be using this glittery color right here. So, let's get to it. You guys, I forgot to mention that you do need a little container or something to apply Mod Podge in. So I have my little container here. Apply a little bit of Mod Podge in here. Oh, so much. Okay. And my case right here. I need to fix it a little bit because it was too that way. I'm opening my glitter. Oh. And now all you have to do is you want to make sure you apply enough of Mod Podge. So grab every part of it. And then all of it will be filled with glitter. There won't be parts where they're not going to be filled with glitter. So I think that looks pretty much good. So you can make it to whatever you think it'll look good. It's up to you. I'm gonna put that aside and I'm gonna grab my little glitter. I already opened it. And I'm just gonna, you wanna have something on the bottom because the loose glitter, you could always use it and put it back in the container and use it all over again. Make sure you get everything. Either way, if you don't, we're gonna go over it again. Like so. Look at that. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at that. Okay, so I added the black paper under so you can see the difference between the colors, and it looks so glitterified. And I think I got every part. I think I could add a little bit more down here. So now all you want to do is let it dry. Once you let it dry, make sure you dab it in it. Make sure you get all the excess. You can let it dry.
Okay guys, so I did two coats of, I put Mod Podge, glitter, Mod Podge and glitter. I let it dry overnight, and this is the finish look. It looks so pretty, so shiny, and now you could just use it on your phone. This is not my kind of size for my phone, but it's so pretty. Look at this. And it's foldable, so you know. That's it, you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified whenever I do new videos. Bye.